Right, my tranny's just turned up for its little scratching, do it? So let's show you this little scratch. 2019 tranny. Well, it's not a tranny Tirano, so it's minibus version. So here we go. So this is a scratch, all dinted, all the way down. We've priced it up. We just priced it up to paint door. We're just doing door. They're not wanting to spend loads and loads of money on it. I've let them know they're responsible for colour. She's actually brought her own paint. We can only do what we're told. So we're going to paint it with her paint, what she's supplied. She don't want no blending or anything like that. She just wants it as cheap as possible, really. So I'm going to get on with this. I know they say it's a scratch, but it's not. You'll see in a minute, like through video, that it's not a scratch. I mean, if that were a scratch, I'd have that ready for paint in 20 minutes. It'd be ready for paint. Just a scratch.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
I've just grinded side at dint up, got that scratch out, and I pulled it with dent puller, because these panels are that thin they just move. I don't know if you can see, this is like tightened up, so I've actually pulled it to pull the dint out, but the heat it's caused from dent pullers like shrunk metal, so it's made it tight. So when I'm filling it now, it's not going to be bouncing all over the place. I'm hoping I can get it like with one skimmer body filler, give that a good rub down, and then just some smooth stuff on then. But yeah, feeling nice.
Rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space.
I'm using Big Dog sander, bit noisy this. I've just explained to him it's kind of hard to rub down just with how thin metal is, so when you use like such as the rubbing down block and you're pressing on, because you've obviously got to cut it, you need like a bit of pressure on there to rub it. When you're pressing on, the panel's like moving. I don't know if you can see that in camera, but you don't need much pressure on it to obviously move panel, so it's all flexing when I'm rubbing it, and if it's flexing when I'm rubbing it over a big repair, it's just not going to get me body filler straight, and obviously it's meant to look like there's no filler in it when it's painted up, so I'm gonna struggle. So I've been using what I call Big Dog, if they likes. Weighs loads, noisy, not a nice machine to use at all. I know people think like using air tools or electric tools are faster. They're not. I mean, I could rub it by hand faster because I can't press on. I'm just trying to glide it over the top and just take a little bit off. But that's where I am with it. I can't put no pressure on, so I can't basically rub it down with rubbing down blocks. So I've just got to skate this over the top, get my earphones on, and try and drown noise out, really. Right, I've got filler in it now. I've got the shape. Like I said, I want to get it in one skim, or try. So now I'm going to put some, we just call it blow. It's spectral, very similar to dolphin glaze. But the reason I'm putting that in is, like, I don't know if you can see these, I'll get it right in. But these are all pinholes. I mean, the filler I've used is a deep fill. So that filler's just meant to get shape. You don't finish with it. I've never finished with it. I know people do finish with it, but I'm not finishing with it. I put like a skin over the top now, just a light skin, just to get shut to like my rough scratches, because I've used an 80 disc, and it's just to fill these pinholes, really.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going down, I'll give up everything. Daunting, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right, 'cause I'll do anything.
Right then, we've got last skim all rubbed down. I finished that on block with 180. I'm just gonna buzz it down now with sander. We're 320 to get you to them 180 scratches. I'm going to mix some nice primer up, 2-pack, well, I'm saying 2-pack, I mean some I-Build primer. So I'm going to I-Build primer it, and that'll be me done on this van for today. I might scotch it keyed up, ready for its paint and stuff, and we'll get it painted tomorrow, but that's where we are now. So that's this last skim, all feeling nice, all feeling smooth, no ripples in it when you, well, we don't know until we're painted, but it feels alright. I'm hoping it looks alright when it's painted. It probably will do, because I'm not too bad with body filler anyway. That's where we are, just trying to show you, because there's going to be a video up for this, and if you're not knowing what's going off in video, that's what I've been doing. So I've like shaped it up with an 80, got it flat with the 80 block. I've been using electric and manual block. I prefer manual block because it seems to rub it quicker, but I've had to use electric one just to, so I don't have to press on, if you like, because this panel's, it's really flexible, it's really thin metal on these like new customs, so I've had to like put it on and just like glide it over the top, if you like, so we aren't pressing on and rubbing. So yeah, it feels alright. So we'll get some primer on it, I use some black primer. I put first couple of coats of primer on. I should be able to see what it's going to look like anyway, because obviously primer's black, you can see reflections in black primer. It's going to dry matte, but I'll be able to get a good idea what it's going to look like anyway, and that's what I'm on with now. I'm just about to try and get it oven with my mortar now, get some primer on it. I'll probably mask it up there.
Fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Do you know what time it is?
It's about 4:45, isn't it?
Home time for me, so what am I doing?
I'm gonna paint it. Hang on, it'll take me 20 minutes.
No, every time, that does this every time. When they're wanting to stop over, they always says to me, hang on, Char, but when it's me stopping over, what happens? They're gone at 4 o'clock, I'm going, Char, I'm going. And that leaves me alone.
Okay, I'm going
So now, so they can have keys, they can keep them.
Well, do it in the morning, but I've just... I just ain't got room on my phone for that bag of shit to start downloading. So I'll be videoing tomorrow. So I can get this painted in there. Get it all off that shit house camera. Get it on my telephone, get it exported, get it edited, so I'll stop off, I'll edit this video and I'll bang it on YouTube tonight. Why is this for you to know? I'm gonna send me this and all. Just sit there laughing at me. No. Oh, it's stressful, isn't it? It's YouTubing.
It is when you buy a shit camera, because everybody on YouTube says it's good.
Well, I'm going to paint this, but there's not going to be any aftershots because I'm painting it and I'm done. So if I wanted some aftershots, you'll have to put it on your video and you'll have to get it off that. Because tonight I'm painting this, lacquering it. We can get my shitty little phone out and I can take a little photo. We'll put that in, and then that's it. That's it. We're not going to wait until tomorrow for aftershots, are we?
No.
No, because I need to.
I would.
No, I know, but I'm going to download that on phone. I'm putting it on YouTube tonight.
I'd sit down and have a pot of tea.
All lots going off my phone. And that thing's just turning off every 2 minutes. Hey, don't buy one of them. Don't buy one of them. Get a GoPro.
What camera is it, Char?
Insta free shit stick.
Insta free shit stick, yeah, don't fucking mind them.
RS model.
The shit.
Top of range, overheats. It's a 4K plus something.
It overheats, but it's not even doing no. It's just sat there doing no.
Well,
bag of crap.
It's top of range. It records in so many frames a minute and all that, right? But if you do try recording in them frames, the thing overheats.
Yep.
So
camera overheats. It's not because it's in here. Because in here it's cold.
Well, it were overheating out there.
They were overheating outside, and outside's cold.
I'll turn it over.
It's nothing to do with that.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.